In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone's Mail app Send Later feature. To start, first open the Mail app. At the bottom right corner of your screen, tap on Compose to create a new message, or you can also open an existing email. We'll go ahead and compose a new email. Just fill out the details, including the email address, the subject line, and your message. You will notice that once these are filled out, the gray up arrow button turns into blue. This means that at this point, you may send this message. Once you have completed and you're ready to send your email, long press on the blue up arrow icon. This will reveal the different scheduling options, including Send Now, Send Tonight, and for the purpose of this tutorial, choose Send Later. Once you click Send Later, this will open a page complete with calendar to choose a specific day, month, year, time, and time zone. The time zone option is really very useful, especially for freelancers who works with clients across different time zones. To change the time zone, tap Time Zone. At first, I thought that there's no option to change this. However, if you pull down as if to refresh the page, this will give you a search bar where you can type the time zone you are looking for. This will then auto-populate as you type the city or country. Once you found the right time zone, just tap it. Then, tap Done when you're okay with the sending schedule. To check the email you just scheduled for sending, tap on Mailboxes, and you will see Send Later and the number of scheduled emails. In case of changes, you can edit this scheduled email. Just tap on Send Later, tap the email, then tap Edit. You can now go ahead and tweak the schedule, or you can also tap on Cancel Send Later to delete the message. Do you know of other Mail app features that I should create tutorials for? Well, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful and want to see more video tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, drop those in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.